9/11 may have passed, but for some 10,000 Muslims gathered here today, this was their way of marking it. A peace event organised by the group Minhaj al-Quran, the same organisation which last year ran anti-terror camps in Warwick for Muslim youths.
We just want to spread the message that Islam is not a religion for terrorism. It's a religion for the peace, and that's why we are here.
Mainly people are giving the wrong message, and so today we came here to give the people the right understanding about Islam.
For the majority of people here today, the highlight is a speech by the Islamic scholar Dr. Muhammad tahir-ul-qadri. He takes a hard line against violence, preaching that there are never any excuses for it. Ironically, it's a message that has earned him death threats.
That peace was tragically and dramatically shattered by the terrible 9/11 bombings.
Before his speech, Dr. Muhammad explained to the BBC why his hardline anti-violence message was the right one.
We want to clarify the image of Islam. We want to give the true message of Islam. We want to say that please don't blacken the beautiful, shining face of Islam that is totally peace.
The audience here have been played messages of support by David Cameron, Ban Ki-moon, the UN Secretary General, and the Archbishop of Canterbury. And it is their wish that the next 10 years will bring peace and not violence. Colette Macbeth, BBC News.